We drink it daily without thinking, but the journey this water takes before reaching your hands is precise, controlled, and fascinating. Behind every sealed bottle is a carefully engineered process that protects purity, balances minerals, and ensures perfect consistency.
Discover the magic behind every creation, how it's crafted.
Water enters the facility where flow, pressure, and composition are instantly monitored to maintain strict quality control at all times. Multiple filtration stages remove sediments and particles, refining the water step by step without affecting its natural clarity and taste. UV purification eliminates bacteria and microscopic impurities, keeping the water safe while preserving the clean, fresh taste people expect. Essential minerals are precisely measured and reintroduced to balance taste and maintain the refreshing character of every bottle of water. Automated systems track purity, temperature, and flow continuously, reducing errors and keeping every bottle consistent in quality. Plastic preforms are transformed into bottles within seconds using heat and air pressure, all inside a controlled, sterile factory environment. Each bottle is filled to an exact level at high speed, ensuring precision and preventing any waste throughout the automated filling line. Caps are applied instantly, sealing each bottle airtight to lock in freshness and protect it from external contamination before leaving the line. High-resolution cameras scan each bottle, detecting even the smallest defects, ensuring only perfect bottles move forward to packaging. Once inspected, bottles are packaged, stacked, and prepared for shipment, ready to travel safely from the factory to homes worldwide. What seems ordinary is crafted with precision, care, and technology, turning a simple necessity into something millions trust every day. Most people never see this behind the scenes. You just did. Subscribe to How It's Crafted now. Many more hidden processes are waiting,